Are you ready to draw cute little Erling Haaland together? Now let's draw with me. Hello little soccer fans. Welcome to Little Pencil Draw. Grab your pencil and let's draw 2 big circles for the eyes. If you want to make it super easy, draw the top part, the eyelids first. Then attach an oval to complete the eye shape. Now, let's draw a curve inside each eye for the iris. Next, I draw the shiny highlights inside both eyes using small circles and star shapes. Now, draw a curved line to separate the bottom of the pupil. You can color the lower part later and fill in the top part with black. Here is a little curve for the nose. And now for his mouth. I'll add a line for his teeth. Let's draw his short, thick eyebrows above his eyes. They make him look so cute. Draw a U-shaped line under his eyes and mouth, just like a little bowl. Next, I draw the ears on both sides of the head and add a few simple details inside them. Add the hairline around his forehead. Draw a big, smooth rainbow line across the top of the head. I add a few curved lines to show the direction of the hair. Then draw the round bun on top of the head. Let's move on to the body. Start with a triangle for his jersey collar. I sketch the shoulder line first. This helps me decide where the hair will fall around the shoulders. Next, I draw the side hair on both sides of the head. Draw the long hair flowing down both sides of the head, making it slightly wavy and extending just below the ears. And give it some thickness. Then draw the sleeves before finishing the body of the shirt. I draw both arms with the hands resting on the hip. Perfect! Next, I add the number 9 in the center of the jersey. Next, I draw the shorts, making sure they look slightly oversized. After that, I draw the legs. Long socks. and football boots. Then add a few small details like the studs underneath. I add a few simple details to the boots to make them look more realistic. And done! He is so adorable, right? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.